How to enable color correction on Android. This tutorial shows you how to adjust your screen colors to suit your vision needs. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Accessibility. After that, tap Vision Enhancements. At this point, scroll down and tap Color Adjustment. From here, toggle it on to enable the feature. Following this, you'll be walked through a short setup process where you tap on colored dots to help your device understand how you see color. After that, once the setup is complete, your screen colors will be adjusted automatically based on your responses. From here, if you want to fine-tune it further, go back into Color Adjustment and look for the color correction mode options. You can choose between Deuteranomaly, Protanomaly, and Tritanomaly, depending on the type of color vision difference you have. Finally, if you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same page and toggle Color Adjustment back off, and your screen will return to its default colors straight away. That's how you enable color correction on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!